going to learn about the Pucca Qila Massacre. The question that many students get in the CIEs is that towards the end of the 1980s, Benazir Bhutto was forced to work in a coalition with the MQM. That stands for Mohajir Qaumi Movement. Muslims who had migrated from India to Pakistan at this time, violent protests increased all over Pakistan. One of this led to Pucca Qila Massacre. And what was the Pucca Qila Massacre? So one way to answer this question is that you need to, when you're answering the 4 mark question, you need to add the date first. So you can say that okay, on 27th May 1990, Sindh government launched. Now, what and whom? For the because for 4 mark you have to talk about the date, who, like who which person, and who, at what place, and what was the outcome. These are 4 things that you need to answer. So for date, we can say that it was 27th May 1990. It was the Sindh government that launched a crackdown in Hyderabad, the center of MQM power. A shoot-on-sight curfew was imposed, and a police house-to-house search began. Mohajirs protested at this treatment, and fighting broke out. In what has become known as the Pucca Qila Massacre, 31 women and children were killed. Now, this is the outcome that you write for 1 mark. In 4 mark question, you talk about the date. Number 2, the person who has done something. Number 3, the place where they have done something. Number 4, the outcome. So this was the outcome, that there were 31 women and children were killed, leading to retaliations in Karachi and elsewhere, over 300 more deaths. This was one way to answer. You can also answer it the other way, like in the date is that in May 1990, the place is Hyderabad, and there were like 40 supporters of MQM were killed by the police. Like this was the outcome of that, and it was actually by the police killed the women and children included. Such violence had led to the President Ghulam Khan dismissing her government. Her government is the Benazir government in August 1990. So thank you for now. I hope there are many more questions to come.